Today I'm cooking stir-fried broccoli with green peas and Chinese cabbage. It's crunchy, tasty, and perfect as a side dish with rice. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 180 grams of green peas, 300 grams of Chinese cabbage, 480 grams of broccoli, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, and 75 ml of water. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 25 ml of water to the tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Alright, set aside. Next, prepare the vegetable. Remove the tips and the string of the green peas like this so that it will not appear fibrous when we eat it. Alright, all done. Wash them and set aside. Next, cut the Chinese cabbage. Cut the stem into 1 inch length and separate the stem from the leaves. Cut the leaves as well. Wash it and set aside. Next, cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces to detach from the stem. And split into half. Alright, all done. Wash and set them aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add all the onion oil into the non-stick pan and wait for it to get hot. This takes about 1 minute. Then add the green peas and broccoli. Stir the vegetable to coat them evenly with the onion oil. Then add the Chinese cabbage stem and stir to evenly distribute them for about 30 seconds. Cover the pan and simmer for 1.5 minutes to cook and soften. After about 1 minute, stir the vegetable to evenly distribute the heat. If it is getting dry, add 50 ml of water to the gravy. Cover the lid and let it simmer for another 2 more minutes. For crunchy vegetable, for soft vegetable, simmer for 4 minutes. After 2 minutes, the vegetables are cooked and softened slightly. There is a bit of gravy as well. Now add all the seasoning, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Stir to evenly distribute them. Next, add all the Chinese cabbage leaves and stir to mix for about 1 minute. Cover the lid and let it simmer for another 1 more minute or until the Chinese cabbage leaf has softened and cooked. Alright, the vegetables are done. Give it a taste. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it's delicious. Pour in all the tapioca flour mix to thicken the gravy. Give it a stir until even and smooth. Switch off the heat. Dish out on a serving plate. Then garnish with crispy fried shallots. Now our stir-fried broccoli with green pea and Chinese cabbage is ready to be served. Let's eat! So delicious. The fried shallots are fragrant and the broccoli and green pea are sweet, crunchy and slightly savory. This will be perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!